This week we are going to revise with you the sum and product of roots and how to form a quadratic equation. First, we need to record when we have alpha, beta be the roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. The sum of roots alpha plus beta equals to negative b of a, and the product alpha beta is c of a. So let's look at this example. When we have 2x squared minus 2x plus 5 equals 0, we will have a equals to 2, b equals to negative 2, included the negative, and here c equals to 5. So in part A, we will have alpha plus beta equals to negative b over a, which is negative 2 over 2, which equals to 1. And then alpha beta equals to c of a, which is 5 over 2. So we've got this information, and then we can continue to do what the question asks, alpha squared plus beta squared. Now, it is very important to remember how to calculate the alpha squared plus beta squared. It is actually alpha plus beta bracket square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, this is a very important thing that you need to remember. So we just substitute here alpha plus beta, which is 1. So we get a 1 in, that is 1 square. And then we have alpha beta here, which is 5 over 2. We get the 5 over 2 here, 2 times 5 over 2. And then that is negative 4. After that, we can do the alpha square beta square, which is alpha beta bracket square. So we just put in the alpha beta, that is 5 over 2 square, which is 25 over 4. Part A is done. Then we go to part B. For part B, if we are going to do the quadratic equation, just remember x squared in this format. X squared minus the something x plus something equals 0. The something x here is the sum in the middle part. The last number you need to fill in the product. So just to remember this format, then you can get it easily, get the answer easily. But be careful, here you need to write the x, and here you need to write equals 0. So what should we fill in for the sum and the product in this question? Now we are going to find the alpha square and beta square, the quadratic equation with these two roots. So the sum will actually be the sum of these two, that is alpha square plus beta square. And the product is actually the product of them, that is alpha square times beta square. And these two numbers we have done in part A already. You get here alpha square plus beta square equals to negative 4. So we just substitute this in this place, that is negative 4. And then the product here, we have 25 over 4, so we substitute the product here, 25 over 4. So it's actually done already. X squared plus 4x plus 25 over 4 equals 0. However, we don't want the fraction, we don't want the denominator here, so we want to multiply by 4 for every term, including the right hand side here. So we will have 4x squared plus 16x plus 25 equals 0. Done. So one more thing to remind you, if you want to calculate 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, now we need to have the common denominator, which is alpha beta, and then the numerator is actually beta plus alpha. So you can substitute the alpha plus beta on top here for the numerator, and alpha beta at the bottom, which is the denominator, to get the answer.